Alright guys, so just want to share the vitamins and other things that I take or do after I had the torn ACL. It was complete here in March 2016. Right now is almost November 2018, so it's been over 2.5 years. I just want to share what I'm taking, so just regular, men's daily, vitamin B, calcium for your bones, vitamin E, and then skin, nails, hair, and this one just to get rid of the toxic heavy metals. So this is the basic stuff. Anybody should be taking these. Specifically for the leg, for the broken knee, I take this triple action joint health. I don't need to take stuff from sharks or any of that non-kosher stuff. So this is perfect for those who don't eat pork or sharks or whatever other bad stuff for you. Anyways, so I take this for my knee. I take this kosher gelatin, and then just bought this thing. It's for joint support as well. So it says right here, healthy joints. So that's just the powder. Just add it to salad or whatever, to water. Now I also do bath with Epsom salt. I do exercises and I use these sometimes, for stretches and stuff. And also I have this ultrasound machine that I massage the leg, my knee, and then put some gel, and then massage the knee so the blood flow would be better. So that's pretty much what I do and take. Let me know if you had a broken ACL, meniscus, if you had a surgery. I didn't do surgery. Check out my other video on my playlist, ACL playlist. And then we prayed, and then Jesus Christ healed me. I just did an MRI not long ago, and they said everything is normal. All the tissues were connected and healed. And obviously I did this, and then the prayer, and then it worked. Let me know your story in the comments.